My name's Noah Richer, and I'm a blacksmith. I started blacksmithing when I was 11 years old. As soon as I saw that hot metal, that's all I wanted to do. Me and my dad, we built this shop. We converted it from a drive shed that we keep our farm equipment and stuff like that in. I live on a farm here out in the middle of Sheffield, so the middle of nowhere. It's a great property. It's my great-grandparents' place, and my parents bought it, and I'm never leaving. Most days I come out here at around 6 or 7, maybe 8 if I'm being late. Then I'll light up the kettle in the forge and get to work. When I'm out here, it just feels amazing. I get tunnel vision, I'm just straight in. I love it out here. I don't think about much other than when I'm working. I barely think of the steps that I'm doing because I've thought of them earlier that day. I don't see many blacksmiths my age. I hang out with 80-year-old blacksmiths instead of kids my age. Yeah, no, I can't be going to strawberry socials. I gotta be in here. I spend all my time in here. I think that's why I'm starting to progress. And I'm hoping to keep doing it and progressing and turn into a better blacksmith over time. For the hours of the week that I'm in here blacksmithing, I like to aim for all of them, but normally I have to spend a couple hours on school, so. I feel it's very important that you have a purpose. It's blacksmithing. I definitely feel that from blacksmithing. It's something I can't see myself stopping, so I'll hopefully be doing it for the rest of my life. And if you find your purpose, good for you.